в 6 утра. Фотография твоя горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6
Do you have any last words that you would like to say?
Битая душа.
Not really.
Все твои обещания.
2 or 3 years from now, my kid will be sold off to the Zenin clan. Do what you will with that. What's your name? Fushiguro. You mean your last name is not Zenin?